Hi everyone, welcome to CodeTav management. So today we will discuss about sequence of sequence, which is the GFG problem of the day today. So the question is like given two integers m and n and try making a special sequence of numbers SEQ of length n such that SEQ I plus 1 greater than equals to 2 multiplied by sequence I. So sequence I should be greater than 0 and sequence I should be less than equals to m. And your task is to determine total number of such special sequences possible. Input m equals to 10, n equals to 4, output 4 means there should be n elements and value of last element should be at most m. So at most m means 10 at most. So 1 2 4 8, then 1 2 4 9. Here you can say see that sequence I plus 1 is greater than equals to 2 into sequence I. So here the this is suppose sequence I and this is sequence I plus 1. So this is sequence I plus 1 is greater than equals to 2 into sequence I. 2 means greater than equals. So here it is 2 times exactly. And here for 1 to 5 it is greater than equals. So in this way. So for the next one, m equals to 5, n equals to 2, then output is 6 in this way. And your expected time complexity is big O of m into n and space complexity is big O of 1. So what we have done is class solution is already there to declare a class which is solution. And after that static int number sequence method was there. And this line basically defines the static method which takes two integers which are parameter m and n. Then we are just returning solve. So solve is basically for the recursive means this line calls the solve method which we are creating here and with the provided argument and returns its result. So it initiates basically the recursive process. So after that, this is our solve method and we are passing like m in current index and previous values and it returns an integer. So first of all, we are checking that if n is equals to 0 or not, means this base case of the recursion. So if n becomes 0, the method will return 1, indicating that a valid sequence has been found. After that, in count equals to 0. So this initializes a variable count to keep track of the number of valid sequences. So after that, we are creating a loop which iterates over possible values starting from the current index up to m. And then this through this condition we are just checking the current value I is greater than or equal to the previous value or not. So this is to satisfy the conditions, this one sequence I plus 1 greater than equals to 2 into sequence I. So here we are doing so. So after that, this count plus equals to solve m n minus 1 current index into 2 I into 2. So this recursive call updates the count by adding the result of the recursive call with the reduced n and updated the current index. So multiplied by 2 with that current index and update the previous value multiplied by 2. And after that, finally we just returning the count. So total count of the valid sequences which are calculated recursively. So the base case ensures that the recursion stops when n becomes 0. So overall this approach basically explores all possible combinations following the given conditions and returns the count of the valid sequences. Okay. So thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe as much as possible and practice more and more. Thank you.